Tired of your PayPal funds sitting idle and want to get them directly into your Nepali bank account? Let's dive right in. First, log into your PayPal account. Make sure you have sufficient balance to transfer and that your account is verified. Next, navigate to your wallet. This is usually found in the top menu or on your account dashboard. Now, if you haven't already, you need to link your Nepali bank account. Click on Link a Bank Account. You'll be prompted to enter your bank details. This includes your bank name, account number, and SWIFT code. Double check everything. Accuracy is key. PayPal will automatically convert your USD to NP or Nepalese rupees. Pay attention to the conversion rate as it fluctuates. Consider if it is more beneficial to use a third-party service for transfer, as the conversion rate is not favorable. Once you've linked your account and confirmed the conversion, initiate the transfer. Review all the details before confirming. You can track the progress of your transfer in your transaction history. Usually takes a few business days for the funds to appear in your Nepali bank account. Be aware of PayPal's transaction fees and any potential fees charged by your bank. These can vary depending on the amount and your bank's policies. Experiencing issues? Check the PayPal Help Center for common troubleshooting steps. If the issue persists, contact PayPal customer support directly. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from PayPal to your Nepali bank account. Now you can access and spend your money with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.